welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode. Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this episode we're going to unbox the Celestron CGX, and yeah, before we get to that, happy to report no issues with the shipping. And unlike when I got the CGEMII and the OTA, where FedEx just dumped it off the back of the truck. None of that this time. They actually had two people in the truck, and you know, each box was about, one was 55 pounds, one was 58 pounds, and they lifted it off the truck and carried it up to my porch, and it was all good. So much happier with UPS over FedEx in this regard. If we remember way back, FedEx literally just pulled it off the truck, let it fall, and then let it sit in gravel where it could have soaked up water, it could have gotten rained on. So yeah, we'll all good. So let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Alright, we're gonna unbox the first box here. So please enjoy the music while I run through this real quick. Okay, looks like we've got our eyepiece tray, our accessory tray. Alright, so just like the CGEMII, comes with an accessory tray to put eyepieces and other odds and ends in, so that's good. Alright, an 11-pound counterweight. There we go. And it looks like it's the same diameter as what's on the CGEMII, so hopefully I'll be able to reuse hopefully one of the ones that are on there, because I don't think it comes with enough weight to handle the rig I'm running, so hopefully we'll find out. Alright, a second 11-pound weight. Excellent. Alright, and here we go. Here's the tripod. Let's get that focused in. And I haven't taken the bubble wrap off the center post yet, which we'll take care of that when we do the assembly a little bit later. But nice and beefy. Okay, as always, instruction manual. We might need that. Just a notice sheet saying keep the box. They're saying, you know, keep it in case you want to box it up to store it when it's not in use, but based on my experience with the CGEMII, keep it so you can ship it back to them if they have a problem. Of course, they're not going to put that on the sheet because they don't want to admit that they would have a problem. Standard Nexstar hand controller with the USB connection underneath. We will not be using this because we have the StarSense. Alright, and here we have our power adapter. Come on, focus in. You can see it's a 12 volt plug, and the adapter for the mount. I don't see an AC one, so I'm going to have to see. But they sure did give you a bunch of, let me get out of the way here. You can just see how much cord you get with this. So, that's good, I guess. And we got a bag of assorted bolts and washers. The holder for the remote. And looks like our azimuth knobs. And our counterweight bar with our toe saver knob at the bottom, just like with the CGEMII. So we can put our weights on, and then if they do happen to shift while we're working on it, they won't drop on your feet. Alright, there we go. There's our mount. And it's a little heavy, so I'm going to put it down. And assuming the elevation knob was loose in there. Alright, and there you have it. So we've got our mount, our tripod, accessory tray, looks like some azimuth mounts or knobs, looks like some bolts that probably, and washers that probably are used for attaching this to the tripod, a holder for our controller, two 11-pound weights, so we've got 22 pounds worth of weight, a 12-volt power supply, and our instruction manual. So looks like we are complete, and that's it for the unboxing video. I'm going to do a setup in a separate video. I don't want this one getting too long, so this will be more for anybody that's curious what comes in the box and how it's packaged. It was packaged very well, actually. I was quite surprised and quite happy. So, yeah. So, I'll see you in the next video where I actually set this up, probably right here, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So with that, I want to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, clear skies, and have a good one. Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astronomy Junior channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.